Okay, so what we have here are my new old stock headlight buckets for the 68 Shelby. So, boxes are pretty hammered looking, so we'll see how they look once I get them out of here. Then again, I guess, what do you expect from 1967? Or 8, I guess. Well, at first glance, this one's been repaired, so that I'm not too pleased about, but other than that, it looks like a pretty good part. So it's all smooth on the back side, the way it should be. These were vacuum formed. So yeah. That's a really, really expensive headlight bucket for a Mustang.